Hi folks, Robert here. We're back with more Revit training, and I worked on this project a while back and kind of dropped it off. So I'm going to finish it for you guys. What happens here is we've got a structural model here, and we have an architectural. So right now we have the structure in, so we need to add the roof on here. So we changed this model to trusses, and actually we'll leave these are, if I remember, these are rectangular columns, and they're basically architecture. We're going to leave them there. So what we do here is basically go in and add a roof. So I'm going to go to my section view. And so there's our trusses. Okay, and so we need to get a roof on top of this in our architectural model. So we're in our architectural model. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here. This is called parapet. Let's just call this roof. Or we can leave it at parapet. So I'm going to rename it to, we can leave it at that, but it's not actually a parapet. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go into that level. Sorry, this was a question somebody asked me about this model. I did it a long time ago. Sorry I didn't finish it. So here, looking again in our 3D view, there are these trusses here in the structural model. Then we have our architectural model. Actually, we can remove some of these columns here. But we might be able to do that span depending on the structural engineer, by the way. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into that parapet level. And I'm going to draw my roof here. So I'm going to go architecture, an architectural model, architectural roof by footprint. And I'm going to do the shape command, and I'm going to define slopes here. From here down to here. Now, of course, we don't want slopes on the first here. We don't need a slope here. So just tick it and untick that box there. And tick that line and untick this box. So now we're going to go back into our properties, and that's probably not, let's finish it first. And as you can see, that's a 45 degree or a 912. We don't want a 912, so let's look at this in section view. Of course, that's wrong. So what we do here now is we'll basically select here, and we'll say, I think that's got to be maybe, let's try 3 here. Even lower than that, we might go with a 1 and 12. Okay, so that's basically going to fit. So let's go look at this in our 3D view. So there's our roof in our architectural model, and this is let me see what kind of roof do we using here. This is okay. It says steel truss, but it's not. It's actually going to be. Let's edit this type here for our roof. Hang on, sorry. Cancel that. We'll select this roof. We'll edit this type, and it's not going to be steel truss. It's going to be wood. No, see. I'm going to leave that there. That's just a placeholder for Revit in the architectural model. So I'm going to cancel that out. Now we need to fix these walls over here. So we'll just, I think we want to overhang it a little bit. So let's go back into our parapet level, our top level, and select it. And I want to edit it a little bit here and just pull it out slightly. Probably should have gave it a little bit of an overhang anyways. Just on these edges, just pull it out. I'm going out of 2 feet. Uh-oh, sorry. I'm going out again. That's good enough, and then I'll finish it. Go back into my 3D view, and then we'll attach these walls to bottom. So this is, I'm sorry I didn't finish this before. Anyway, haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Go to modify here. I'm going to select this. You want to attach, and you want to attach top there. And go to the other side. Same thing. Attach the top. And then again, we see these edges are not kosher here. We don't want to get, yeah, this is not good. We want to get an overhang here, so I'm going to go back into that level here, at top level, and I'm going to do this again. I'm going to edit this boundary, edit footprint, and let's just pull this out. It's about there. You get the idea. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Just want to run through this quickly that I didn't finish a long time ago. So that's how you would do that roof. Yep. So there's the roof, and we got our architectural model and our structural model. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, and everybody be safe. Bye. Have a good one, y'all.